Magandang araw mga bata, nandito na naman tayo para sa isang makabuluhan at bagong kaalaman sa science. Tara, tayo nang mag-aral. Hi kids! Our today's topic is all about the skeletal system. Tara, let's all have fun and enjoy learning. The skeletal system. The skeletal system gives the body its basic framework, providing structure, protection, and movement. The 206 bones in our body also produce blood cells, store important minerals, and release hormones necessary to life. Trivia: how many bones are there in the human body? The answer is we have 206 bones, because when you were born, your skeleton had around 350 bones. By the time you became an adult, you will only have 206 bones. This is because as you grow, some of the bones join together to form one bone. Let's have the function of the skeletal system. We have 5 functions of the skeletal system. Number 1 is for movement. Skeletal system provides points of the attachment for muscles. Your legs and arms move when the muscle pull on the bones. Number 2, support. The backbone is the main support center of the upper body. It holds your head up and protects your spinal cord. Number 3, for protection. The bones of your skull protects your brain. Your ribs protect your lungs and heart from injury. Number 4, makes blood. Red and white blood cells are formed by tissue called marrow, which is in the center of the bone. Number 5, for storage. Bones store minerals such as calcium and phosphorus for use by the body. Let's discuss the two major parts of the skeletal system. Number 1, the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton includes the skull, spine, ribs, and sternum. Number 2, appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton includes the appendages of the body, which are the shoulder, arms, hips, and legs. The skeletal system bones. We have 4 basic bone shapes. Number 1 is the long bone, which is the arm, legs, and fingers. Number 2, the short bone, which is the wrists and ankles. Number 3 is the flat bone, which is the skull and the sternum. And number 4 is the irregular bone, which is the spine. O ayan mga bata, para lubusan nating maunawaan ang tungkol sa skeletal system, tara at manood tayo. Let's all enjoy watching.
Today's topic, skeleton! Oh, this road is so dark and lonely.
Yes. Are you scared?
Oh, I'm never scared.
Ghost! You said you're never scared. This is just a human skeleton, a model of human bones, maybe from school laboratory. See, let me make him stand.
Oh, it looks like a human without skin and other organs.
Yeah, these are just bones.
Let me talk to him. Hey, how are you?
Jimmy, he does not have any muscles like tongue, so he can't speak.
But can you tell me about him?
Yes, this provides support to our body.
How?
See it by magic. Jimmy, can you see this shirt in a hanger?
Yes.
Let's see. If we remove the hanger, what happens?
Shirt falls down if we remove the hanger.
See, if bones don't stand up, our body would be like a lump of mud. Also, it saves our heart and lungs from any damage.
Yes, you are right.
Skeleton supports our body. It protects our body organs.
How many bones are there in our skeletal system?
Oh, there are 206 bones. But when a child is born, it has approximately 300 bones. But when you grow up, few of the bones join together.
Human skeleton has 206 bones.
Let me show you something. This is called skull. It carries our brain and supports our face. Let's learn about other bones.
Oh, these are shoulder bones.
Yeah, you're right. These are called clavicle. We also call them collarbones. That is why part of the shirt at this point is called collar.
Clavicle, collarbones.
See, he is showing something.
This is sternum. This is central bone on the front.
What is this cage-like thing? It is made of many bones.
It is called rib cage. Our heart and lungs are behind these bones. So, if anyone hits at your chest, this rib cage would protect your heart and lungs. Let me show you.
Ouch!
See? Nothing happened to your lungs and heart.
I am still breathing and my heart is still beating.
Ribcage protects heart and lungs.
What is this bone?
This is called humerus. Now see this. Touch your back.
There is no bone here.
Oh, it is not a single bone. It is made of 33 small bones. It is called spine. It starts from the bottom of the brain and ends at the start of the bump.
Ha 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 ha!
Spine is made of 33 small bones called vertebrates.
Which bone is this?
There are two more big bones in the arm. These are called ulna and radius.
Ulna, radius.
Oh, this is called pelvis. It protects bladder and uterus.
Pelvis, it is the largest bone.
It seems to be the longest and strongest bone of the body.
You're right. This is femur. This is the longest bone in the body.
Femur, longest and strongest bone in the body.
Which are these bones?
These are tibia and fibula.
Hey Jenny, can you tell me which is the smallest bone in the body?
Do you know? The smallest bone in our body is in the ear. It is called stirrup.
Stirrup, bone in the ear is the smallest bone.
Oh, there are so many names. Let me note all down.
Let me show you something. Do you know bones are made of which thing?
Oh yes, calcium.
You're right. For strong bones, you need calcium and vitamin D. See it by magic.
And you get calcium from milk.
Yes, and you can get vitamin D from fish. And you know, We should spend a lot of time in the sunlight.
Now my bones would be strong. Now let's walk in sunlight.
Yeah, sun gives us free vitamin D.
Oh, sun gives so many things to us.
For strong bones, take milk and fish. Also, walk in sunlight.
O ayan mga bata, sana marami na naman kayong natutunan sa episode natin ngayong araw na ito. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-share, i-like, at i-click ang bell button para sa mga susunod pa na episode na puno ng kaalaman. See you next episode. Enjoy!